Hello Internet. Welcome to Vision. A video called Creepy Sounds Captured in an Abandoned Mine while reviewing the thrunite TN12 Flashlight uploaded on Exploring Abandoned Mines and Unusual Places on December 1, 2016. Here in this video a man goes to an abandoned mine to review his thrunite TN12 Flashlight at night. He starts to go inside the mine. Everything goes good. But after 12 minutes, he hears a strange creepy voices in the mine.
Where some of these boards are bending. Do you hear that? Sounds like, what, is that wind? I don't know if you can hear that on the camera. Do you hear that? It stopped. Well, I don't know what that is. That doesn't sound like wind, but that's crazy. Don't know if that's a bird or I don't know what that is. It almost sounds like snakes, but wow. I've heard some weird stuff in mines, but that is definitely creepy. I don't know what that is. So let's get out of here.
We don't know what it is, whether it's a ghost trying to warn him, or someone trying to scare him. Hear the sounds carefully.
What, is that wind? I don't know if you can hear that on the camera. Do you hear that? It stopped. Well, I don't know what that is. That doesn't.
Hear the sounds carefully. It sounds same as the sound effect that I am gonna play now. This sound effect was uploaded on YouTube by Sound Effects royalty free on October 24, 2015. This video was uploaded 1 year before the video of creepy sounds captured in an abandoned mine. If we hear the both sounds, it perfectly matches.
Wow.
But we don't know where did the sound came from. Whether this man used the sound effect while editing the video or really something there in that abandoned mine. No one knows. Comment what you think, but this sounds came from the abandoned mine. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.